What's up, WBC family? We back at it again. Hold on, man. Let me get this together. Get everything in order. Oh, all right, family. Here we go. We back at it for the Let the Pups Eat. Just letting them do this real fast, just to show y'all, man. I'm trying to train them where they don't touch that food unless I say it. You see what I'm saying? Look at him. Don't play with me, bro. Haha. Watch this. Cheap. Don't waste no time. Get straight to it. Just got off work, just letting the boys eat, man. I'm gonna do a little video so my camera go dead. I was just letting the bulls eat. But once again, I appreciate all the love I've been getting, all the comments. Even I don't care what they is. Like I told y'all, I read them, I look at them. Thumbs up or a heart, man. You know, y'all took the time to even check me out, so it's so good. I ain't tripping. Yeah, I be in here trying to train mine. I got a surprise coming though. You know, so y'all used to this right here. Yeah, these my pups though. I got plenty of pups though. We coming. We are coming. Let y'all know we coming. Don't be, we coming. Look at that. Look at him. Look at that. See the shoulders on him? Get in there, boy. Get in there, daddy. Get in there, boy. Yeah, get in there, daddy. Don't play with him. Yeah. Yeah. Go on and get in there. Go on and get in there. Yeah. That's where all that stuff be coming from him. Go on and get in there. Look at him. Yeah, see that? That's a video. I'm on it. I'm telling you. Progress with them. I love it. I wish I got that ears clip. I know y'all probably tired of me saying that, but that's just something I wish I would have did it. Definitely get an ears clip. But that's my big boy right there, though. But y'all, you know, we was just a little video, man. Just got off work. For to let y'all do y'all thing. We gonna do our thing. We'll tap back in a little later, y'all. It's WBC, man. Walker Bullet Camp, man. It's your boy Zell, Zena, and Bruno. We'll check back in with y'all a little later, y'all.